everyone, this is Joan of Art, and here we are once again at the house that Porter built. This is Juvie, Pasit's daughter-in-law, and Pasit is right inside that house. Let's take a look at what's in there and how does it look when it's complete. Let's knock on the door. Knock on the door. Panuktok. Alright. Tagbalay. Mayong ugto.
Tuloy.
Wow. Sulod ka mo. Nakatiles. Ang nga salog. Te, ano ang masiling mo sa imo nga balay? Kay humana? Siragi.
Siling ko, maraming salamat sa nagbulig sa akong kay ti na humanmanggid ang ako na balay sa nagbulig sa akon. Payag. Di, payag ni, pero hindi na payag na tawag kay ti ang salog ya tiles.
Ang salog, tiles. Oh.
Di, hindi na yung payag na tinatawag. Payag na sosyal.
Sa payag nga sosyal. Kondo.
Kondo.
Ang kondo ni Pasit.
Oh.
Di, sige, ipalantawa kami sa imo nga balay. O, artahan.
Tango.
Ang imo nga portahan.
Ako na lababo.
Ang lababo.
May painting
May
ako.
painting pa. Ari ang lababo ni Pasit. Aba, may ari siya dish rack. Ang bulutangan sa imo nga mga plato.
Oo,
Ay, kompleto.
bagarahan.
May long neck.
May long neck.
Daw kaayo, ah. O, ano pa gid?
May wala kay hari, may hinatag man di sa akong sinday na kortina, mga
Cortina.
mga
Curtains.
mga
Mga ano na siya. Ah. Yoga mat. Banig. Banig.
Pero limpyuhan ko pa. May mga kaserola hintay natin
Aha.
sa kon.
Ay, butang to sa imo nga kusina. Da nga gamay. Wow. Makatigang-tigang ka na din, ah. Makaluto-luto ka na. Oh, ay, katahom. Alright.
May isa pa rin din. May silhig akong buko.
Oh, may silhig.
May balde na panghapot ni tubig. May bulatangan tubig gamay.
Kompleto na.
Bulatangan ng asin.
Pwede ka na gid kagawi na.
May pinya pa akong dala isa kadilo.
Oh, may pinya pa.
Balde, areo na.
Ano ni siya subong? Ano ning mga ginalatag tadi subong?
Are, na hinatag ni Inday partida sa mga bata ko. May kalamay, may kape, may habon, may shampoo. Na intunga-tunga ko sila, pero wala pa
Ayos.
asin, wala pa Milo.
May pa. Di ko may mga suludlan na lang sila eh.
Kung may mga
Ay,
silutan
huwad.
sila, tagaan ko lang na sila. May Sprite na duwa. Ako ng 7-Up.
7-Up.
Duwa.
May na ipare sa long neck.
May Milo.
Yan.
May Milo.
Kabataan. Ba, kompleto.
May kalamay.
Ayos. May asin pa.
May asin.
Ano pa na doon? May biskwit pa.
May asin. May uga.
So, Pasit is rationing the supplies to her family. Gaita biskwit! It's a one-room affair for a lot of people here. Don't know how social distancing applies here. But Pasit is distributing groceries and stuff that we have brought from the city to her children. So, let's go outside again and explore the house that Porter built, and even those groceries are bartered from friends. So, this is the back view, and that's the front, but she's going to make a palayas. Palayas is an extension, so from here, she will extend her living room to here. So this area will be her living room extension. That is called palayas. And right over here will be the kitchen area and the toilet. And facing the bamboo clump, there's a spring source down there and nice little creek. This is the other side of her house. Alright. And then this portion, she has her orchids already. She has her little garden and a nice little fence that will also have growing flowers and vines. This is her garden, and by the way, the window grills was deliberately made small so that no hands can enter and pry or try to take anything inside the house. Right, so this is the front yard where the palayas will be built. So this is where the palayas will be built. So this area will be the living room. For now, it's lunch al fresco under the bamboo trees and all the trees around here. It's really cool. Really cool. Hello. There you have it. Our collective project. So we've built a house through barter. That's Pasit's house here in Kamanoy, Maao, Bago City. The house that Barter built. This is Joan of Art. And thank you for watching. Thank you for contributing to this little project. Of course, it is still a work in progress because there is still that palayas over there, an extension. So the next project would be an extension, but for now, it's already habitable and Pasit will be staying there when she's here in Maao. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. This is Joan of Art.